Hello, hello, hello. DOD to the 1 to the 3. If you're trading with Jdun, I'm going to make you financially free. What's good, everybody? What's good, what's good, what's good? Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Team Bull. What's up? What's happening? It's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day, and we're coming for the money today. It's We Full Portin' Wednesday, baby. Let's go. It's that time. What's going on TikTok as well? As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for education and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. Starting this live at 9:06 a.m. Eastern Time. Eastern Time, baby. You got your brand new 50K Jdun eval. Well, you better choose discipline with that eval, my boy. What's up, what's up, RT, Jackie, Max, Soul Knight? Are we doing longs today? We're going to find out, maybe. We're getting closer back to that range. I'm not super in love with that. But that said, we'll see what they give us. How's everyone doing this morning? You guys missed me because I missed you. Okay, I didn't miss a single one of you. Woke up angry. I had to trade with you guys today. April Fools! Got him. Beautiful things. It's about game time today. I love my lava lamp, and that is not April Fool's. Love that puppy. Yo, also, we got a massive, massive discount right now from Alpha Futures if you guys haven't seen it. Code JDUN50 will get you 50% off with them celebrating 50 million in payouts. Crazy. be. Oh boy, where's that man Grizzly Glock at? Where that man Grizzly Glock at? You love me from India. I love you too from India. Cash out. I know. I forgot to do my push-ups yesterday. That's why I got cooked. That's why I got cooked. I did lose yesterday. Yo, if you guys didn't hear, Alpha Futures is 50% off using code Jdun50. That is the biggest discount I have ever seen from them. I don't think I've ever seen over 30%. I like the zero plans, and I also like the I can't talk. Advanced plan. Yeah, they're both solid. All right, guys. I gotta go get my banana. I didn't eat my banana yet this morning. I gotta go be a banana boy. I'll be back in just a few minutes, all right? I think Grizzly can talk. Okay, good. I'll be right back. All right. Was good. You guys miss me? I missed y'all. Did you miss me? Because I missed you. What's good? What is good? What is good? What is good? How many of y'all watched my new video last night? I told y'all I was making it yesterday, and I did. Coach Jdun50 on Alpha. Code on Alpha is Jdun50. To put the 50 in. Video's gonna blow up on the feet. Fine. I don't even show my feet. The piggies don't even come out to play. Yeah, I don't talk a ton about Alpha, but today's discount is like I've never seen. Huge. One-time use only. You can only use it one time. So if you guys want to start an account with Alpha Futures, you can use code JDON50, 50% off. I think I still have a code with Funded Next. I just don't really promote them. All the feedback I got, I didn't really have a lot of people using them. So, woo! Excuse me. We trading at 9:30. You bet your butt we are. You got that right, mi amigo. Well, I mean, I don't think we're going to take a trade at 9:30, but pause. Oh, shit. That Alpha Future sale is crazy. I've never seen 50% off from them ever. Like, I've never even seen 40, I don't think.
I've never
I think
seen
the highest
I've seen is 25.
I've seen 30 very briefly a few times. So, no? You miss me? I missed you.
Dreading the day.
What?
Dreading the day.
What? Oh, you're moving?
Yeah.
Have fun. What does Hunter always say? He's like, I'll come move with you for emotional support. I'll help you hire movers. I'm not gonna move, but I'll help you hire movers. I'll pitch to the fund. Shorts for the day. We'll see. Yeah, Gene's moving. He's going back to Mexico for a bit. He needs a fresh sombrero. And some new boots. Some las botas. It's been a pleasure having you here, Gene. Went full tilt and used your promo code like 5 times. Well, thank you for supporting code Jdun, but I don't want you to don't want you to do that again. I don't want you going on tilt and having to re-up on all your accounts. I'd rather you choose DOD and use code Jdun less. Just like I said in the video I made yesterday, I don't want you guys just blowing through accounts over and over. I also included in that video I made yesterday a copy trading tutorial. So if you've been wondering how to copy trade multiple accounts together, you can go watch that video. You can go watch that video. I have it timestamped where I do that. Yep. On the tube, Jdun Trades. How's everyone in Team Bull doing this morning? You guys all ready to trade? Prammy, today's a new day for you, my friend. No more tilt. No more breaking your plan. Today's a new day, my friend. The biggest haters always show up every day. I'll never understand it. But here they are. DOD is a lifestyle. You're damn right. You're gosh damn right, as Walter White said. Piece of me, piece of my, take time. Department of Discipline, that's where we're at. Department of Discipline, DOD. Yeah, well, at least we give the haters something to do. I'm down with it. Maybe we can teach them a thing or two. I'm with it. It don't bother me. What up? Oh, I didn't know you weren't coming to hang out today.
I came to get my dolly too.
Your dolly? Oh,
I already
nice. Nice. Well, have fun.
Started.
Moving all day?
Yeah, all day.
Well, have fun. See you, bro. Yeah, I was messing with y'all. Gene staying in Colorado. Ooh. 50K recommend. All right. We got 2 minutes to open, everybody. We got about 2 minutes till open. 30 seconds, excuse me. All right, might have to take a phone call quick. I'll be right back.
All right, let me do this. Good morning. I only got YouTube figured out. Please. Please. You say something, Jdun?
Let's go, Team Boat. What's up, Grizzly Glock? I heard you here.
Yes.
It's just you and I today. Gene's out of office. He's moving. It's been a good run with Gene, but
He's gone forever.
he's going back to Mexico.
You really moving there?
Yeah. You didn't know that?
Is that why he's learning Spanish?
I told you that a while ago. That's why he started learning Spanish. He's going back for 6 months. I thought you knew that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. He's just going back for a little bit. His abuela is there. She's not going back to Mexico.
As soon as I woke up this morning, my mind was
A few of y'all believe that. Nah, Gene's just moving to a different house. He told me to tell people he was going back to Mexico. No, that's too funny.
I always tell by your tones you're messing with me. And your tone is gonna get me.
I'm a jokester. Said something about like he wanted his torta. I think he wanted like a tortilla or something. He was hungry for a burrito. Oh man, you got me going early today. We need a nice winner today. We need a nice big fat winner today. He needed it. You dying for it. What do you know? What are you watching for today, Grizzly Glock? See anything you like? Or any areas of interest? All right, let's see. Option premiums aren't too bad today. QQQ. Yeah, if I'm trading options, I like to go next day, at least for indices, 1 to 2 days out. Zero DTEs can pay you quick, but you can also get cooked. I always tell people that trade options that if you're having trouble with getting stopped out too often, well, move your expiration date out. Okay, everybody. Let's find ourselves a winner today. Choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And remember, if you feel yourself moving towards revenge trading, tilt trading, boredom trading, or any self-sabotaging action, tell yourself DOD. Discipline over dopamine. Don't let the dopamine in your mind win. Don't let that itch win. Not allowed here. Don't let the dopamine win, guys. Can't let it win. DOD, that's right. Let's see what we get today. Oh, no, I don't want QLD. I want Nasdaqita. There we go. You saw Gene in Tijuana last. Thanks for that YouTube video yesterday. I was trying to decide if I wanted to try Tradeify or not. Yeah, hopefully it helped. I put a lot of effort into that. If you guys have been looking for that Copy trading video. It's live on my channel, my YouTube channel. I did a full breakdown of Apex versus Tradeify, and I also put in a copy trading tutorial. No, perks don't transfer over. You got to get a new account.
Anything you like, Jdun?
Nope, not yet. Just waiting.
It's a little bit better test than it was yesterday.
Yep, just waiting. Yeah. Market put me on a skewer and started cooking yesterday. Started cooking. We got pre-market high at 246. Please, whatever you do, market, just don't put us back in this range. It's thinking about it. Unless this ended up being our demand touch and we start moving our way all the way back up. Let's say I start to get a little more bull heavy above like 25.2 to 25.5. Bro, I was so frustrated yesterday. But it is what it is. Just today. Don't define us. Just one day of price action. Just one day of price action. It don't mean much. So long, home, home. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, the new Alpha Futures discount is crazy. You can use code JDUN50 for 50% off one account. I have never seen the new 50% off before. I highly doubt they ever will again. They're very stingy about their discounts. But you one-time use code JDUN50 with Alpha Futures. We got to do our push-ups still. I just realized that. We got 3 more minutes before I trade. Drop down and give me 10 or give me some jumping jacks, baby. I just realized we didn't do our push-ups. All right. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There, I dropped down and gave you 15. Push-ups done. That means we're going to catch a banger. That means we're catching a heater. You want to change your state? You change your state. You want to change your psychology? You got to change your biology. Then Bitcoin dumped with that too. We running up a check. You can't lay down on the ground and count. That's not a push-up. Does it look like that's what I do? Come on. right. Let's see what they give us here. I was kind of wanting to see if we'd touch pre-market high and see a failure candle. I'm also open. Let's see, got VWAP here, 15-minute low. 24. I'm still open to watching 24,000 area for a bounce too. What about you, Grizzly Glock? You see anything that you like? See anything that's got you intrigued?
Jdun, what do you think about this candle?
I don't know. I was saying I'm watching for a 24,000 area bounce. I like that too.
It would for sure if they pushed up closer to the point of control.
I don't mind that. I was also open to pre-market high retest as well. So yeah, I wouldn't mind that.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch for push up for possible shorts. I'm gonna watch that bounce with you as well. Low side, pre-market low, sweep it.
I like it. Yo, here's the deal, guys. We got more accounts to give away today as well from Tradeify. They hooked me up with a grip. All you got to do is TikTok. I want these likes at 100K. With 500 people here, shouldn't be that difficult. We get yelled at each like 100 times. We're over halfway there. So tap in, tap that finger over and over, get your blood flowing a little bit. Tap that screen for a minute straight. If each one of y'all taps that screen for a minute straight, I bet we'll be there. We'll give away some accounts. Same thing with y'all, YouTube. You get this live to 500 likes.
Come back on the caffeine.
Easy money. We'll give away y'all an account too. Of course, we're giving away accounts inside Team Bull, but you guys want to join the giveaway? Get that up to 500 likes. Need at least another 350 of y'all to hit that thumbs up button, baby. Come on. Hit that thumbs up like your life depends on it. Come on, my soldiers, my DOD team, my DOD tribe.
Yeah, we had PMI earlier, right? At 9:45.
Oh man, I love messing with the haters. I love them here. It's DOD time, baby. Let's find ourselves a winner. I actually didn't mind that idea either if we would test up higher into this candle. I would have rather seen us touch pre-market high and reject. I'm also not opposed to us sweeping pre-market low and then trying to find a bounce with stops below that low. Not opposed to it. Don't make me rip some options on the trade we take. I'll do it. Don't make me go back to humble Honda done. Y'all ain't ready for that. Y'all ain't ready for that. Interesting. Close below VWAP. Yep, I'm open to 24,000 area as well. I'm open to that area for some longs. If we sweep and reclaim. Whoops. My body. Oh, baby. One good trade is all it takes. Preferably a nice big one. If we're going to get stuck in this range, then let's just make it quick. Do I trade support and resistance? I trade key levels and price action. That's the best way to do it. That's what I've found most valuable over 10 or 10 years of trading. 10 years and like a month. Yep. In May, it'll be 10 years since I bought my first trading course. Like since I got involved in trading. Crazy. When I was 20. I turned 30 in a month. That's why. Yep, turned 30. Turned 30 in May. I'm actually going to be gone for... I haven't taken a vacation like what, 2 years? But Gene will be on my... He'll basically be Jdun for a week. He'll be on the Team Bowl Live if he chooses to, and he'll also be on my socials live streaming for a week when I'm gone. Gene will be on the YouTube channel Trade in New York with y'all. Gene's a beast. Gene's gotten a lot of payouts. Like, dude's an absolute monster. He kills it in Asia session, too. For y'all that trade with him in Asia, that man is super smart. He's the yawn master, but if he's making you money, who cares? Yeah, he'll be on for a week. Jdun. Is that you trying to call me gay done? Low key though. Turned 53 on May 23rd. Let's go. Still going to watch for this pre-market low sweep for longs.
This might trade. Technical issue again.
Oh, you were looking for shorts in like 130, 140?
50% retracement, yeah.
Oh. Well, you're getting almost there again. Only like 10 points away. You got the chance again. I'm personally waiting. I haven't had a lot of luck in those types of trades lately. This candle actually looks halfway decent. $15-minute chart isn't showing a whole lot. Can we copy trade with TradingView by connecting Trade Evade? I'm not sure. Probably. I don't really use TradingView to trade. I just use it to chart. I just chart on TradingView. I don't trade on it. So my pre-market time for futures. Well, I was using 4 a.m. or 2 a.m. Eastern time previously, but the technical time is 2 a.m. Eastern time. Or 4. I was using 2 a.m. before. The technical time is 4 a.m. English. Halfway debating in this area between here and like point of control, trying shorts with stops at these highs. And then if that fails, I don't know. I still would prefer to see like a demand bounce for my ideal trade of the day. We'll see. Come on. Give me a nice A+ setup. Give me some solid BPA. Give me some solid BPA, Nazdaquita. Dude doesn't even draw anything for us. You know, at least we're reaching a new audience today. That's good. They gave us the brain rot side of the algorithm. Dude is not even drawing anything for us. Well, sir, this is trading class, not drawing class. Drawing class is at the hall, bro. Here, I'll draw you something. Ready? I'll draw you a picture. You want a picture? All right, here. There's your picture, bro. I was gonna draw you Squidward, but I didn't want the live to flag. Oh, okay, you get a pass then. You just get a free picture. All right, no trades for me yet. I'm the Bob Ross of charts. Okay. All right, news is out of the way. Now let's find ourselves a trade. Not much on this 15-minute chart. Not a whole lot there. To win today, so you can get your green Bugatti. All right. I'll do my best to help that happen. $188, $58. Yep, you can only have 5 funded accounts with Tradeify. You can have 10 evals, only 5 fundeds. Only 5 funded accounts. I go over all that too. What's up, bro?
He asked me if I was trying shorts. I said no, I'm not trying anything.
I haven't had matcha in a hot minute. Yeah, it's just a little high risk for me trying shorts after holding that midpoint. Could be an increasing volume candle too. Yep. Maybe we get some, if we get some aggressive reversal candle, maybe try the trend, but down on. You got anything else you're watching, Grizzly Glock? I don't got anything so far. Maybe if we reject that pre-market high. If this candle finishes, would it be a 2-bar? Not necessarily, because there's no trend.
Taking anything here, you're gonna wait till we get out of this 15-minute range.
Probably gonna wait till we get out of the range. I had red day yesterday, so I'm gonna be a little more cautious today. I don't think it looks terrible for shorts up here. I just don't. It doesn't take much to send us flying. What I use for trend indication is a series of higher lows or lower highs. Series of higher lows and lower highs is what I personally use. TikTok, y'all are doing so good on the likes. We're at 60K, 40K more, guys. Come on. Get the fingers moving. A minute more of tapping from all of y'all, and we're there. I'm giving y'all away a Tradeify account. Reminder to Team Bull that I'm doing the Tradeify giveaway for the YouTube comments today on Zoom as well. If you guys commented and liked my YouTube video, you'll be entered. I'm going to go through the comments in just like an hour. Give away some Tradeify accounts. I can definitely see them wanting to push us upwards for sure. I mean, that's what you look at, like the 15-minute chart, the hourly chart, that's what the trend is right now. We're holding above 24,000. I would have much rather seen us bounce that 24,000. That was my main watch. We didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get there. So now we wait. And we implement the patience that I try to teach you guys every single day. Every day I come on here, I do my absolute best to help you guys with your patience. Let's see. Games on your computer? No, I don't play games on my computer. I used to get down with some addictinggames.com. I used to love that website. The balloon tower defense and shit. Age of Empires. Oh, man. Don't get me started on that. Don't get me started on that. Zoo Tycoon. Oh, man. See ya. Build the zoo up, screw around, delete the fence, let the tigers out. to wreak havoc on the zoo. What's wrong with me? I'm like, oh, y'all want to go to the zoo? All right. Unleash the tigers. Something to believe in. Yo, as a reminder too, if you're on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all tapping into the tube as well. Jdun Trades. I'm live with full screen share. Jdun Trades on you to the tube. Come tap in. I'm not in any trades, no. No trades for me yet. No trades for me yet. Something to believe in. All right, let's do it. As a reminder, we got some heat-seeking discounts going on in the prop world. We got Apex at 90% off using code JDown. We got Tradeify at 40% off with Tradeify 3.0. And we got Alpha Futures with 50% off, which I've never seen before. I don't think we'll ever see again. They are very stingy about their discounts using code JDown50. Hopefully I can find a nice winning trade to help y'all make progress on your evals or make progress on your fundeds, all while choosing DOD. I'm leaning more towards upside right now. Can someone explain the retest? A break and retest is where you have a key level. Say this was a key level. This is the 50% retracement. Say this was a key level where you break, retest. This is the retest. And you go bazooka buns to the moon. Bazooka. You got anything you like, Grizzly? I don't see anything besides potential long if we build this this 15-minute high.
Love this price action. Is that what you said?
Yeah, something like that.
Looks like we had a massive move.
Yep. Well, I'm glad we didn't short that. I was kind of worried about that. It's not been functioning how it was before. All right, baby, come on. Oh, whoops. Source text. As a reminder, too, folks, if you're here on TikTok, I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. I trade live for you guys every single day, help you guys stay disciplined, trade smart, and trade safe, and take the best possible trades for our system. My ultimate goal for you is you to become confident for yourself, build confidence in your ability to execute, and choose discipline every day across the way. Along the way. Come on. Do something for me, baby. Bro, is Jester Max? What is a Jester Max? Is that like mogging? I don't know. I can't keep up with y'all's lingo. Acting like a clown, being goofy. A lot of y'all are out here, all these gurus out here Jester Maxing. Sounds like a lot of people in the industry. Goofies. I'm goofy, but at least I like to make y'all money and tell y'all to be disciplined. Come on. Yep, DOD, that's right. Yep. Wedgie maxing. Trump also has comments tonight. Yep. Jdun is Coach Carter. I think that's the best compliment I've ever gotten. I'll be your Coach Carter. Keep it a buck with y'all. I mog you. Can you swing on Tradeify? No. You can't swing on any prop firms, really. There's not many prop firms that will allow you to swing trade. It's too much liability for them. Jdun is a solar eclipse. He trades once on a blue moon. What? If I had it my way, I'd take one trade a month and make like 20K off it. The less I can trade and the higher quality I can trade, the better I trade. A lot of people on social media think you got to take 10 trades a day. Not true. Oh, I know Brandon's a pineapple person. He loves the fruit. Loves it. All right, guys. So we're still in this 15-minute range. We're above VWAP, right at point of control. No real trend, no clear decisiveness on where price wants to head. So I'm just staying patient. And I want you guys to do the same. The code for alpha is Jdun50. It's one-time use. I've never seen them do a discount this big. I'm not even sure I've ever seen them do 40% off. The biggest I've seen is 30%. But they're a great firm. They just got to 50 mil in payouts. Bring the Porsche to Nebraska. All right, this might be giving us some sort of direction, guys. I actually don't hate a sweep of pre-market high and failure for shorts. I have not entered anything. Nope. Nope. What was the firm you were talking about? Alpha Futures. One of our few partners here. Right now they're running 50% off, which they, if you know Alpha Futures, they literally never do. It's only a one-time use code, so you got to pick your account wisely. Let's see if we can get a strong close above this 15-minute high. Hangman, yeah. Let's go. Oh, y'all cracked me up. Of course, we won't get it. Of course, they're not going to give us a confirmation candle. Why would they? Why would they? See, this is the candle I wanted. This is the exact candle I wanted to see, but like at pre-market high right here. If we saw this at pre-market high, I'm almost guaranteed going to take a short somewhere in here with stops above the high. But they didn't give us that. So I'm going to wait. I want to flush too. I wanted to reject a bit higher. I wanted to reject closer to like 244 or 250, call it. All right, I'm using the restroom quick. I'll be right back. Don't you dare reject without me. Don't you do it. All right, was good. Belong. See, if we were at pre-market high here, I would have taken shorts up here with stops at like 20 points higher. But we are not. Below. I want a big fat trend move. If we could catch a nice, like for example, if we could catch a nice reversal on the live account up here, get a nice trim off at like 1.5 or so, and then just let the rest ride. That's ideal situation. I would have rather seen my ideal situation today would be a bounce at this pre-market low, but that didn't happen. So come on, give us something. Oh, I know. We just have fun. There's certain people that join the YouTubes every day that say funny stuff, so I like to respond to them. I don't like to give them too much clout, but no, there's this bro that comes in and says like he met up with a fake me and got a wedgie. and like he needed to talk to me seriously about it, and he's very adamant about it. I'm like, well, fake Jdun gave you a wedgie, then you probably deserve that wedgie. I mean, I'd probably give you one too. Go grab the hook, grab a pair of underwear. You're getting a wedgie. Like if you cracks me up. You know, if you met up with a fake Jdun in person and he gave you a wedgie, you probably deserve that wedgie. you're probably, if you're a grown man, to allow another grown man to take you by your undies and hang you up somewhere, well, you know, was probably fate, my guy. All right, let's see. Let's see if we finally get some confirmation. Yes, you have to sign up on Tradeify to use the code Jdun. No trades yet. I needed that laugh. There you go. There you go. While we're waiting for a trade. We got Easter this weekend too. All right. I'm going to watch how we react to this pre-market high up here, guys. If we can get some sort of reversal candle here, I'll try shorts up here at pre-market high, sweep and fail. That, or if we get some extremely aggressive buying, I'll look for a pullback for longs. As far as the daily chart, let's see. As far as our daily chart goes, I'd love to see us reject like this 250, 275 area. We're coming right back into that range, though. What a fake out right there. Absolute fake out. No, not 5 months. 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't trade. I don't chart on Tradeivate. I only trade. I don't like their charting either. I chart on TradingView and I trade on Tradeivate with the props. I'm weird. I actually like the Tradeivate 1 minute chart more than I like a TradingView 1 minute chart. I like Tradeivate for scalping. Let's see. Got 30 more seconds on this candle. I might be open to, if we get another reversal candle here, to trying a short on the next pop up with stops above this high. I'd be willing to start the day red for that setup. Let's see how our 15-minute chart looks. 15 isn't close for another 10 minutes. If we get that move up, I am going to try that. It'd be like 185, 180 area, stops above like 220. You going to try it too? If we go up there? Yeah, I'll try it. I'm willing to start the day red if that doesn't work out. I would have rather seen us touch pre-market high, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. No, don't dip first. Rip and then dip. Rip and then dip. $180 area is what I like for shorts. Just have to have stops above that high, above like 220. I really wanted to see us touch that pre-market high, but it's all right. Just caught $500 on that push on my second account. Done with Apex at 1,500 today. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's see if they give us some confirmation in here. Watching the setup, everybody.
I'm setting these shorts out, Jdun.
I haven't tried yet either. I'm watching.
Could be the spot.
I don't love that we retested right into this range first, this 50% retracement, and then moved up. That's kind of annoying, but I'm not fully sold out on it yet. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I'd still like to see. All right, yeah, I'm not taking this. So thank goodness I didn't. All right, let's see. This might give us our entry up here. I'd like to see a sweep pre-market high, then fail. Oh, don't you go right below pre-market high. Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare do that. That would have literally, I think, been the quickest stop out I'd ever had in my life. Don't you dare go to pre-market high, then die like that. I want to see us sweep this and fail.
180, but it's probably just going to look at that.
Unreal.
That dangerous cross section.
The only setup I liked, it comes literally, how close are we to pre-market high there? Let's just go see. A point? A point? 1 point? I'm not in anything, no. This is dangerous price action right now. We barely missed pre-market high. Barely. You have no trades for me yet. Just watching. No trades for me yet. No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for me yet. I wouldn't have blamed you if you tried shorts. Up there, it looked decent, but this price action is just dangerous. Just dangerous. Dun, 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 dun. Oh boy, come on. Give me a money bag setup. Damn, brother, you have patience. I do have patience. I appreciate that. I take a lot of pride in that. Try to help you guys have patience every day too. Choose DOD. The more patience you have, and the more discipline you have to not take every single move. Again, this is not Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. The more money you'll keep. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate you when you use code Jdun with any of our partner firms. Apex is 90% off right now. Arguably the cheapest. Tradeify's 40% off. And Alpha Futures has a crazy deal that I've never seen before. I've never seen Alpha Futures do a discount this big. You can use code Jdun50 for one account for 50% off. It's one-time use. I will do my best to help you pass, get funded, and get paid. Pass your eval. Let's go. Which account do I recommend on Alpha? Either the advanced or the zero. Yep, the zero is fine too. If you're trading with Alpha, I recommend the zero account or the advanced. People seem to like the zeros. They're one-day pass. The advanced are low key, kind of tough to pass, but once you do pass, they can be really advantageous. They're just like low key, kind of hard to pass. You have like a $5,000 drawdown on the 150Ks with like $12,000 profit target. Like low key, kind of tough. But the 0 is 1 day pass, so. I'm just keeping it a buck with you. No trades for me. No trades for me yet, guys. If we would have swept this pre-market high, I'd look for shorts. Our 15-minute chart's not showing us a lot either. Very indecisive here. We have higher green volume, but we also had a decent amount of wick. We have an overall doji here. Market can't decide where it wants to go. Your DOD has helped me be profitable so much. That's awesome. Let's go. And to think all you had to do is hit that follow button on TikTok or join me on YouTube every morning at Jdun Trades and join and just show up every day. If you show up every day, good things happen over time. Send it. I hope so. I want to see us touch that pre-market high and then send it. That's it. I'm playing Nickelback. It's time for a banger. How you remind me of the good price action. And this is how you remind me of the 10K days I had when price action wasn't choppy and dull. I would take a trade and I'd let that trigger pull and make some money for Team Boho. Let's go. How you remind me of technicals being respected. If Nickelback brings on a winner, I'll allow it. All right, bet. Good. I'm glad we're on the same page. If you get me listening to some Nickelback, some Three Doors Down, oh man, beware. This is how you remind me of how price action really is. Let's see. TikTok earned an account. YouTube, y'all got to get to 500 likes. There's over 1,000 of y'all in here. If just simply less than 200 more of y'all hit that thumbs up button on the live, all you got to do is smash that like button. You guys will get an account too from Tradeify. Come on. Y'all got it. I know y'all got it in you. We're also going to be doing Team Bowl that giveaway at the end of the live stream for anyone who commented or liked the new YouTube video. Jdun has mentioned multiple times his favorite artist is Cardi B. Yeah. And Sexy Red. No, honestly, though, Nicki Minaj back in the day used to slap. Let's not lie to ourselves here. Horrible.
Yeah, horrible, man. It's legit retest entry. You could justify trying.
Yep, if we sweep pre-market high and come back down, I'll try some shorts. No ball. If we sweep that pre-market high, have a reversal candle, I'll try shorts. I will try that. If we can get that confirmation.
This is from what I trade, this is a good long setup. There's just too much risk on this candle for me to enter.
That volume is horrible. That candle is horrible volume too. Literally horrible volume.
Yeah, this is horrible. But I was just basing off the breakout. If we entered right here at the close, or even in the 20s, we have to put our stops at 170.
Not that bad. If we had higher volume, I may join you. I may have joined you, but I'd rather see a sweet pre-market high and try shorts first. At least for how I'm looking at this today. If you see a long entry you like, please be my guest and take it.
Yeah, big zone. That's the only thing the market's been giving us lately is big up losses. So lowering volume, you see, for instance, for example, let me give an example if I can speak. So if it was approaching supply, right, and then it was pushing up, what I would want to see is lowering the volume. I don't want to see crazy increase in, very aggressive selling when I'm looking for a short. Or very aggressive buying.
All right, let's see what happens here, guys. I'm watching like a hawk. Higher volume on this too.
Answer.
260. That's a tough candle. All right, watching for this. Watching for potential entry. Would have rather seen a little more wick down, but the only thing I've watched all morning is for that pre-market high test and then reject. Just want to see a little more confirmation. Not exactly the best candle that I wanted to see. So I'm just waiting. No, I'm not trying long. Not right now. I was looking for a short entry if we would get a reversal candle at this pre-market high. But we're gonna have to see that reversal candle first. Staying patient. For example, if we were to sell this candle off right here, this 5-minute candle, and close aggressively below this pre-market high, I would almost 100% take shorts down here and just put my stops up here. But we haven't closed this candle yet, so. Ooh, woo. Oh, I got to repeat myself because people don't hear me or don't listen or are distracted. I don't want you guys to miss a setup. Just moving up slowly. Just moving up slowly. My one main watch for the morning is I wanted to see this 24,000 bounce. That was my main watch. Was this bounce down here? We never got it. Too long, too late. Why am I trying to short it? Well, that's been the theme lately is supply rejects and demand bounces. However, I'm not completely opposed to a long entry. It would just have to make sense. You're with me and you never know. Yeah, nope, can't short this candle either. But I'm not going to long this either with this lack of volume. Maybe if we get some failure down here, we'll try it. This hourly candle just closed very strong too. If you look at this hourly, no. Aggressive close on this hourly chart, which tells me there's a good chance that if we test this 200, we want to make a higher low. We'll see. You guys know my least favorite types of days. My least favorite types of days are days where we slowly trend up. The only other trade I see today for a long side entry is maybe we pull back. It's that 50% retracement's at like 160. Could argue.
Control.
What?
Right at point of control bounce.
Yep. Yeah, no shorts here for me.
No, I haven't caught a trade today yet.
I'm just not a fan of trading slow grind up days.
Yeah, I like the zone up here. He's up there at 24,400. They have anything for reject for that.
Hold on to me.
Hoping to add the Asia strategy to the Rizology.
Yeah, what's that?
It's like a we call it a sweep strategy. It don't take it doesn't confirm a lot. You'll be lucky to get like 4 to 6 trades per month with it, but it's pretty solid win rate. I'll show it to you.
These hands and knees, I'm saying, please give me a trade. For you. All right, let's see if they give us something finally. These futures trades ain't got no love for me. That's a good remix right there. Yeah, my short ideas kind of pooped out with this close above pre-market high. If we got some aggressive reversal here on the 15-minute and 5-minute, maybe. Grisology sounds like a class they should be teaching the kids in school. Shit, they probably should. About to have a nasty leg day today. Nickelback reminds you of the dental office. Why? Because you like my smile? Yeah, Wednesday's leg day. What do you hit today, Grizzly Glock? Dun, dun, dun. I just watched your Apex first Tradeify video and loved it. If you are thorough, honest, and concise, kudos. I'm proud of being a part of Team Bull. Appreciate you, bro. Really not in the live. If you guys have been wondering which prop is better for you, Apex or Tradeify, the new video is a game changer. I also included a Tradeivate copy trade tutorial in there as well. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback on that video I just posted. You guys should all take a moment to watch it today. There's a lot of good info in there, plus a Tradeivate copy trading tutorial. So if you've been wondering how to copy trade multiple accounts on Tradeivate, this will teach you. Unless you use a trade copier, you can't, no. The copy trade video is on my YouTube. I just posted it, and I'll pin it to the comments. It's pinned in the comments, everybody. It's on this YouTube channel, Jdun Trades. I want all of you guys to watch it by the end of today. That's your homework. I have not taken a trade yet, guys. No trades for an hour and a half now. I don't have a link right now. But I will soon. Appreciate the interest, Cameron. Again, if you guys have any questions, you can always DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. My IG is JDUN Trades. It's the only place I answer DMs. Slowly grinding up, huh? Slowly grinding up with no sort of A, solid pullback, or B, reversal in sight. And we still have a lot of buying here. These are volume footprint charts. I'll use it to, like you'll hear Grizzly talk about sometimes too, looking at candles delta. It basically shows who's aggressive, buyers or sellers. And as you can see, buyers have been significantly more aggressive. Even on our negative delta candles, it's been much less than our buying. Like this would have been a good sign, for example, I need to start looking at this more, but like you have this big move down with higher volume, but look at the delta, guys. It's negative 55. It's basically flat, which is a good sign that if you see that, but delta's flat, you're going to continue up. It's not something I use a lot, but it's something I've incorporated a little more for order flow. Am I on a trade? Nope. Volume footprints are on Trading View. You just have to have like the premium or whatever. Oh, stretchy stretch. Any of you guys take advantage of that Alpha Futures sale with Jdun 50? They never do that. I've never seen them do this big of a discount. It's only for one account, which isn't surprising. Alpha Futures. You can use code JDUN50 for 50% off one account. If you've been looking for another firm to try for very cheap, I mean, you can get a 25K account with no activation fee as cheap as like $39 with Alpha with code JDUN50. They're celebrating 50 million in payouts. That's why it's so cheap. That's why they have this discount. It's one-time use per person. No, they don't. Tradeify's journal is elite that they have. That's one thing that really puts Tradeify ahead of a lot of the competition. But again, what do I tell you guys about all prop firms? I appreciate you guys supporting me. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. But I want you guys focused on long-term building up a live account. So you can use prop firms for leverage. You can use them as a tool. Ultimately, I want you guys focused on eventually being on a live account. That one dude said, I just wiped a little over a month's worth of profits last 2-3 days. Any tips, Jdun? Yes, DOD, man. You got to have a maximum loss limit set. That's the biggest problem that I see traders having. is having a month's worth of progress wiped out by a bad day or two. It doesn't have to be like that. That's why you set your stops, you know your risk, and when you hit your maximum loss limit, you're done. Like yesterday, I lost 2 trades. Was I annoyed? Yes. Did I want to overtrade? Yes. Did I want to revenge trade? Yes. That shit doesn't go away even after like 10 years, but you build the discipline to say, you know what? I know it sucks right now. It's not going to suck in an hour. It's not going to suck tomorrow. But what will suck tomorrow is looking back and saying, damn, I overtraded and I gave back a month's worth of progress. Again, you got to have a long-term mindset doing this. People get too caught up in the day-to-day. Oh, you missed a trade today. Oh, you lost a trade today. Who cares? Like literally, who cares if you lose, if you're red today? Your ego cares. That's it. Your account doesn't care long-term. The people that you're supporting with trading don't care long-term if you're red one day. Because over time, if you manage your risk and you stick with DOD, you'll be green over time. But people think it's the end of the world if you miss a trade or you miss a move or you have a red day. And that leads to destructive dopamine over discipline habits. You feel me? It's fine. You have a red day, who cares? You have a red week, who cares? You keep your discipline locked in long term, you'll be fine. It's the same thing with these prop firms. Why are you guys rushing to get payouts? Take it slow, trade micros, just take it easy. The less you need the payout and you need the money, the better you'll trade. I know it sounds it sounds backwards, but it's true. It's very true. On Alpha, it's Jdun 50 for the 50% off. You can only use it one time. It's to celebrate 50 million in payouts. This is interesting. This strong candle here is negative delta. Right now, price looks like it wants to keep moving up until further notice. Until we get some sort of strong break, maybe below pre-market high, we're just slowly grinding up.
I'm gonna call it a morning for now. I may come back in a bit, a little later, see if we get any better price action.
You out of here?
Yeah, I may go live again later. I don't know. If I'm catching later session trade. I'm seeing some decent moves later in the day. Grab some lunch.
Ugh. You're missing the Nickelback party, bro.
Go back. What are you listening to?
She Keeps Me Up by Nickelback. I just got a Nickelback playlist on.
All right.
Out of here, bro.
Yeah, I'll see you all later in the morning. I'll go live. I'll let you all know. Drop the link. You all see something setting up? Let me know. I can catch a trade.
Yep, I'll text you if I catch something. Wink, wink.
Before, not after.
Before, I'll text you if I see a setup.
Before.
I will text you the signal. I got you, Mr. Grizzly Glow. I got you, my guy. Still got to do the giveaway from yesterday, too. I always forget to tell him. I know. The only trade looking back that I look at my back testing that I potentially missed was this higher volume here and this reversal here, but we would have had such high risk down to that candle low, like set 70 points of risk, 80 points of risk from 200. It's kind of a lot. Kind of a lot. It's low key kind of a lot. If you want the Alpha Futures discount, you have to use code JDUN10 or JDUN50, JDUN50, JDUN50. I don't know why I said JDUN10. It's only a one-time use on Alpha Futures. They've never done a discount this big. Like, I know their game plan on these accounts, they won't make any money. Their margins will be very, very, very low on these accounts, but their ultimate goal is celebrating 50 mil and getting more traders in their ecosystem. So you guys should take advantage of that. Even if you trade at the Alpha Futures one time, let's go JDUN50 for 50% off. One-time use. Looks like we want to slowly keep moving up. We'll see. Don't worry, guys. The second that I decide to leave for the day, I'm sure you'll get your move. That's how it usually goes, right? I do trade the orb, just not today. Too much risk on it today. Too much risk on it today. I probably will call it a day here in a few minutes. I got to do this giveaway that I promised yesterday. I do trade live every day. Yep. All you got to do is hit that follow button, and I appreciate your support. I appreciate your trust in me. Every single one of you guys, Frank, Lisbeth, all you guys hitting that follow button, it genuinely means the world to me. I do my best to help keep you disciplined and give you the most free value I can every day. So appreciate Andrew. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate all you guys hitting that follow button here on TikTok, trading live with me every single day. I also appreciate you guys using code Jdun when you're trading with these prop firms. Let it stand for DOD for y'all, discipline over dopamine. All right. All right, everybody. The winner won from the YouTube comments is Brian Porsche. Love the last name. Both prop firms are great. I love Tradeify Select for the daily payout, but Apex is better to learn due to pricing and easier to scale. Listen to what Jdun says. He honestly cares about you succeeding. DOD. Brian, let's go. If you're on here listening, I just replied to your comment. You got to send me a DM on Discord showing that it's your account. You'll be able to see the analytics in the edit channel. You won yourself an account. Winner 2 is Mew24 Uzone. Very informational. Thanks for the video, DOD. Giveaway winner 2. Let's go. Bless up, bro. This was very helpful. Winner 3 is Baton Barisha. Winner 3. Let's go. Winner 4. Oh, first of all, DOD, Jdun, J Money, and Paydon. Banger video. Tradeify and Apex is the way. That's got to be a winner. Winner 4. Best video on how to set up a copy trader. Saluvia Love. Winner 5. Let's go. Appreciate y'all supporting this new video. More than you know. Appreciate you guys more than you know. Great info. Jdun Tradeify is the best DOD. Alec Manriquez, winner 6. I appreciate this very much. Found a lot of value in this as a beginner to futures. I'm not well funded, so I have one of each evals. DOD. TRK 550551. Winner 7. Let's go. Let's go. Winner 8. Winner 8. Where's winner 8? Thank you, Jdun. I hope to see a back shot bear with you tomorrow in Team Bull. You know what? That's Rex. That's winner 8 right there. It's back shot time. Yup. No questions asked. Just yes. This is such great info. Appreciate you always, DOD. Jacqueline Beers, winner 9. Easy money. And winner 10. DOD, love it. Simple explanation. Winner 10. Just like that from Julie Morissette. Boom. So if you guys heard your name called on the YouTube, I just did the comments. Replied to you in the comments. You just got to send me proof it's you on Discord. And you can do that by sending a picture of your YouTube account, and it will show you're able to see your analytics and your edit channel. So you can't do that unless it's your channel. Dun, 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 dun. Free falling. I love this song. If we get a strong candle, this candle here, this actually looks decent for a long entry with stops below like, I don't know, like 230 or something. Actually doesn't look bad. It actually looks decent for longs. Let's see if we can get a small pullback. Come on, without taking out high a day first. Don't take out high a day. Don't take out high a day first. No. 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 I want to see us pull back a little into this and then just nuke the longs. It's messed up. Hmm. Unreal. Thought we were going to get a pullback. Didn't get it. Just nothing. Just could have front ran this entry. It would have 60 down to 30 would have been just below 1 to 1. You'd basically have, if we would have front ran this entry right here, so we would have just entered on longs based on this candle, we'd have to get up to new high day. You'd have to get new high day to even think about trimming. Otherwise, it wouldn't make any sense. Like, it would look like this. Where's that low? This would have to been your 1-to-1. We're not in, obviously, but damn, I wanted that pullback. Whenever we retest pre-market high like that and then get a reversal candle, I would have loved to have seen us pull back a little into it, take the longs here, and then rip. We just literally went front run straight from this close up. Swept high a day, and now the setup's invalid. Great. Great. Thanks, market makers. So now I'm not going to take this pullback, so we just swept high a day. Wow. Yup. It's only valid for 48 hours, guys. If you haven't used that one-time use code Jdun50 on Alpha Futures, I highly recommend you do. You won't ever see it this cheap again. 50% off for one account. I was really wanting that slight pullback. That would have been Moneybags entry. Moneybags entry if we would have gotten that. It depends on the account type. Jesus saves me over and over. It's just tougher to take longs because we swept those highs. I mean, it's still technically valid. And even like this 2-bar is technically valid. I'm not taking it because to the upside, we've been trending up slowly all day. 270. Maybe if you wanted a higher risk entry, wait for a pullback with stops below like 230. But I think that personally, I'm just going to let it be a no trade day. If you do want to try longs up here, this is the area. You just got to have stops below. It's like 230, which is a little high risk for myself. So I'm just going to let it be for now. No trade day. I'm going to go hang out with my kiddo and I'm not sure if I'll be back on for Power Hour. I think Jared Tendler is actually joining us for Power Hour today. Yep, Jared Tendler will be on, the author of The Mental Game of Trading. If you haven't heard of him, he's one of the premier trading performance and psychology coaches in the trading industry. He works with a lot of hedge funds and professional poker players. He'll be on during Power Hour with Team Bull. If you guys want access to my free Discord where Jared Tendler will be teaching, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live and you'd like access to the webinar today. Yep. Jdun Trades on IG. Mention that you're from the free live and you'd like access to the webinar or the live training today. JDUN Trades on IG. If I DM me last week, DM me again. DM me for access right now. Go to your Instagram and type in Jdun Trades and send me a DM. I also got something because the TikTok live met the live goal. Guess what I got for you? Someone's going to use this code for a 25K select account on Tradeify. Right now, that code's active for one free 25K account on Tradeify. 25K select. Let's see who gets it first. It's only valid for one person. Someone got it. So I pinned it in TikTok. YouTube didn't hit the like goal. You guys had to get 500 likes and we couldn't do it. Give you one more chance. If there's 110 of y'all in here that haven't hit that thumbs up button, hit that thumbs up button. You got 1 minute to get it done. If 100 more of y'all can hit that like button, I'll give y'all a code too. Come on, otherwise we'll try it again tomorrow. Yep, there's that move up we talked about too. There's that move up we spoke about right there. If you guys tried that setup, it would just be getting up to one. You need like 310 to get to 1-to-1. Because it would have been like 40 points of risk. All right, guys, as a reminder, if you want access to the free live training today inside Team Bull, my private community, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. That's JDUN Trades. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM. Another payout, Apex payout approved. Let's go. That's awesome. Jdun Trades on IG. Send me a DM. I'll get you that link sent today. Yes, sir, before Power Hour. We'll get you in. All right. I just watched your YouTube video about Tradeify and Apex. Appreciate the work you put in. Appreciate you, bro. All right, y'all. God bless. I'm out of here. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose DOD. I'll see you guys later, or I'll see you guys tomorrow, actually. I don't think I'll be on for Asia. So God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Have a great rest of your day. No trades for me today. A few decent ideas, but no executions. So get back at it tomorrow. God bless y'all. Peace.